there, ladies and gents. Welcome to another fantastic time of Jessica fixes random shit around her house. Today, I am replacing the timer for my swimming pool pump. It's this thing right here. It's gonna be fun. Shouldn't take too terribly long. I watched a YouTube video myself to see if I could possibly do it. That's usually my go-to. I watch a video, see if I can do it. If I feel like I can do it, well, I do it. So here we go. First of all, I already turned off the power to the circuit at the circuit breaker level, so I don't electrocute myself when I go to take off the power wires. I need to clean out this ridiculous wasp nest situation that was inside, so I'll do that, and then I will get to work. That video should have been its own thing on clearing out that wasp nest. I was mindful to take a picture of where the wires are so that when I go to replace them, I know exactly where they should go, so I don't have to second guess myself, although there are a set of instructions on the left side just in case. So I've grabbed a Phillips head screwdriver, but you can use a Phillips head or a flathead screwdriver, it looks like, and we'll get these loosened up and get this out. There's a little tab up here that you can press to pop the thing out of its spot, of its holding spot, and then I'm gonna lift up a little bit, take a shimmy up, oops, lost some things, and then pull it out. Ta-da, yay. So now to replace it. So we're just gonna reverse engineer this bitch. We're gonna put it in exactly the way the thing came out. We're gonna wire it up the same way, and we're gonna give it a go. See how it works? Key is these couple of little lip things that are at in the box. So you have to make sure you get the little grooves up and over those before you can get it snugly fit in there so you can put the little tab back on. If it fits properly, it's just gonna click right into place, just like that. Now we're gonna get it wired back up and see how we get it running. Okay, so I made sure to screw in these 3 screws before I screw in this green one, because it gives you a chance to make sure if you need to wiggle these cords and if you need to manipulate the plate any to make it work better, that you have that freedom to do so. So I've just tightened these 3 screws, just like the original picture I had, the 2 beige ones with the white cords and then the black cord on its separate one. And then I'm gonna tighten up this screw here, and then we'll be all set. So we went upstairs and turned the breakers back on, and clearly the timer is working now because you can see the gears moving and I can hear it. And double checked that the manual switch does in fact work. So we're good there. In the box you also have the little tripper switches and the screws. I already had 2 sets from the previous owner, the previous pumps, etc. So now I have 3 sets of on and off switches, which is really good to help save some electricity, because you can set the timers. So what I'm gonna do is just start the threads of the screws into the little trippers before I put it on the wheel, just because it makes it easier, you know, just dexterity, and you don't want to lose those little screws. That's dumb. So just like that, threaded it right through so it's easier to just stick on the wheel. Then it's time to replace this plate back over the wires. Pretty easy to do. Just screw in the screw that was taken out. Get myself cleaned up. And that's all there is, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. Hope you are brave enough to try your own at-home things, because they're not really that hard. Watch a video, Read the instructions. You'll be fine.